In today's video, I'll show you how to receive every Jotform submission directly in your email inbox, so you never have to keep checking your dashboard. This is perfect for business owners, teachers, teams, or anyone who wants instant updates. Start by opening your browser and searching for Jotform. Go to the official website and log in. If you're new, the sign-up process is quick and simple. Once you're inside your account, head to your dashboard and select the form you want to receive email notifications for. With your form open in the builder, look toward the top and choose the Settings tab. This is where you can control everything related to your form. On the menu on the left, select the option labeled Emails. This is the section that manages all your notifications. Next, select Add an email and choose Notification Email. This tells Jotform that you want an email every time someone submits your form. You will now see a settings window. Select the Recipients tab and look for the field labeled Recipient Email. Here, type the email address where you want submissions to be delivered. If you want multiple people to receive notifications, simply separate each email with a comma after entering the correct addresses. Make sure to save your changes so your notification settings are applied. And that's it. You've now set up automatic email notifications for your Jotform submissions. From this point forward, each time someone fills out your form, the full submission will land directly in your inbox, making your workflow faster and much more efficient. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and check out my other Jotform tutorials for more quick guides.